My name is John Vincent Oslinda, Section G2E-1. 7 common shapes strip and the counteract. The first is hugging, when the ship midship section bends upward like a smile due to waves supporting the bow and stern. Second, sagging, when the ship's midship bends downward like a frown because waves support the middle but not the ends. The third is shearing stress, occurs when different parts of the ship experience unequal vertical force causing sliding forces along the fall. The fourth is torsional stress, twisting of the ship along a strait, common is to control the ship due to uneven loading or waves. The fifth is rocking, distortion of the ship regulatory structure into a parallelogram shape due to rolling in waves. The sixth is painting, in and out movement of the bow, plotting due to wave pressure change. The last is pounding, heavy slamming of the ship bottom, especially at the bow, against waves. That's the 7 common ship stress and counteract.